Hey guys, I am planting some Emerald Green Arborvitae today in front of my house, my front porch. I'm going to hover over the tag so you guys can read the specs on it. It gets about 15 feet tall, 4 feet wide. It grows about 12 inches a year or less. It's kind of a medium grower. And we're planting 3 of them today right in front of my porch. So first thing I'm going to do is just start digging the holes. To place these, I measured 48 inches between each of the cans. So from the center of one can to the center of another can is 48 inches. And then I placed, like, the center one is in front of the first pole and then 48 inches from there on either side. I also have a sidewalk that kind of is at an angle, so I wanted to follow that angle, so I made sure that the trees followed the angle from the road, that the same angle that the steps do. Alright, so let's get digging. Make sure that you step back and look at it before you actually plant it. You get the hole dug, throw the tree in there, step back, look at it, make sure it's centered and you didn't get off with your hole somehow. So in this first one, well, with all of them, I'm going to be adding some plant tone food, and that's just a good fertilizer to get your plants really settled and fed and going good. So I'm just going to add a few handfuls. Okay guys, so the trees are planted. They are, like I said, Emerald Green Arborvitae, and I'm really excited. We'll have to see how they go. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a little bit of a tour of this area so that you can kind of see where it's coming from and where it's going. So I just planted those 3 Arborvitae right there. And there used to be this river rock right here that ran all the way up along. There used to be river rock all in here as well. We removed all of the river rock here. We are working on removing the rest of this river rock that's right here. We're going to remove this board as well. I just planted this grass right here. It is a Prairie Winds Apache Rose. It needs full sun, grows 48 inches tall. It'll pretty much fill in this entire area that I have designated for it here. It's going to come out a little ways past this. Guys, if you hear that roar behind us, that's the racetrack down the road from us. They're loud right now. So I'm waiting for that to just fill in. And then we just planted the 3 green Emerald Green Arborvitae, which I just love, guys. These trees keep their color all through the year. They keep a very bright, beautiful green. I really wanted something up in this area that was going to be very soft and texture, so I went with these. I want this one right here to it's going to kind of hide this pole right here. We're going to come in with lattice and close in the porch, so you won't be able to see all of my children's toys. And we're going to come in and totally mulch this side like we did this side. There's my trash can. It's real life, people. So, mulch makes everything look a million times better. So I'll just back up and give you a view of the whole area. We have this massive maple tree right in our front yard. As you come into our house, I just did a little bed under it with hostas and some sedum, and there's some mums planted right here. So then this side I've just started to work on this year. So we'll see how it goes. I'm starting to lose my light now. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.